There is one right there back in August 2024, another one in November 2024, another one here in April 2025, the famous tariff freakout. And then another one, not as strong, that occurred relatively recently in late November of the last year, 2025. And another one that is literally occurring right now. We have a spike of puts. So in other words, people think that market will collapse into this relatively overextended category area. But in other words, more people think that market will collapse than people think that the market will continue higher. And it's a contrarian indicator. When more people think that market will collapse, the opposite usually happens. Now, notice that we are not really like even remotely overextended to the downside. Whereas here in November of this last year, we were at least a little bit, extended in the direction of the downside. Right now, we're just barely. So what happened in November? We got a rally towards new records. I'm pretty much thinking that we're going to get another rally towards new records at this point. Chance of that. I kept talking about it even back in September of last year when I saw this 3-year low on September 17th. And I'm like, this is just not right. I think we're going to get at least a counter-trend rally. We got a small one. I was thinking it's going to get stronger towards the red line. We got like a mediocre one. It got stopped at previous August 2025 highs. So why am I thinking that right now could be that final day when dollar turns around? So the reason where I'm getting this from is from projections of my indicators into the future. So I have the 2.0 and the 6.0 basically just means that we're projecting the indicators into the future. Now, these projections are not always useful. However, they are somewhat useful when we see things like this, when we see alignment. So current indicators line up perfectly